Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Sand Update today. There's two things that is very controversial about Sand, and the decision of selling at the $6.7. Uh, Even though I just booked my profits, and nothing is wrong with booking a profit out. So, but there's two things to watch out, and this one can continue to the upside as well instead of us going to the downside. Now, there's two things I just want to give you a direction here with Sandbox at the moment, and this decision comes until tomorrow, 28th of November, and today's 27th of November. So Sunday is going to be a decision day, and you can see that what was head and shoulders right here is now turning into a descending triangle. Look, it's a very clear descending triangle. And normally what a descending triangle does is it can break to the downside or it can break to the upside. So these are two things that are actually there. Now I did sell it at 6.7. It's at 6.8. It's still nearly where I just sold it. Okay. And if you sold it along with me at the 6.7, here's something that we have to talk about at the moment. If it's going to be a good decision or not. Do you want to buy it back or do you want to sell it? I'm just going to give you one discussion, and based on that discussion, let's see if we can buy back or sell it back. Now, you see, descending triangles normally, if you take the height to the bottom right there, it's going to take you all the way down to that 4.778. Nonetheless, it is a technical target of a descending triangle, and this is logical. Okay, you cannot ignore a descending triangle. Go to Google. I'm just going to Google this and talk about descending triangle. Here we are, and you can already see a descending triangle is it looks like this. Okay, it's a triangle that the prices are trapped, squeeze happens, breakdown, back test, fail, and then prices go down. Okay, so it's doing the same thing. The prices are trapped inside this triangle until tomorrow. Break up, go up to where you form that triangle to the $8.3, or break down, you're gonna go all the way down, right? So what should we do in this case, where because it can break towards the upside or the downside? Now the bearish is there, the bullish scenario is there. Now for me personally, I'm not buying back. I'm not gonna buy back until confirmation. So the best thing to do is wait on the sideline, sit on the sideline and wait for a confirmation. If we break out of here, back test it, and then we start moving towards the upside, remember, abandon this view. It is a part of trading, it is a part of technical analysis that you have to get rid of this view. And this is the reason why, in this channel, I just don't leave you in the blue here telling you to sell something. If it seems like it's a buyback time, I'm gonna tell you it's buyback time. But for me personally, I'm gonna wait for confirmation, because these descending triangles, they really have chances to go and break to the downside, back test and fail and go down, just like you can see this one. Okay, these are not my own charts, but these are charts that have been made with people. And at the same time, do you see a descending triangle can break to the upside as well? Did you see that? It can break to the upside. So people says you're saying 50-50. They are 50-50, not because of me, but then there's this descending triangle. After an uptrend, you make that descending triangle and you go all the way down, and this seems much more similar. It looks very similar to this one right now, and that's the reason why I just want to wait for a confirmation of things. There's one more. That's the first thing. The second thing is, there's something I call them as a three white soldiers, and this looks very different. It looks very different on the daily as well. I'm going to show you in a moment. You see, this was a three white soldier back to back. Let's do a three white soldier right now. Okay, so right in here, three white soldiers, and they're like three candles that go back to back, and then it means it's bullish. That basically it means that the prices are bullish. They're gonna keep going towards the upside. 1 2 3, and this was the same. 1 2 3, bullish, and made a bear flag right there. I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna remove the drawing. This was a bear flag, just like that, and then from wherever you are coming from, let's say from here to here, I'm pretty sure I've met the technical target. Yeah, it went to the 6.4 and we went above it. But the thing is, we still made another three white soldiers on the daily. Look, even this one is three white soldiers. Do you see that? It is three white soldiers, and I'm not going to ignore this. And sand, It could be still super bullish and never go down to the 4.778. But then again, wait for a confirmation. Do you want to buy back? It's up to you. From where I sold it, it is still in the same price at the moment, so you're basically not going to lose anything. Okay, so here we are, and as we made the bull flag right here, this is the bull flag that we made. We could potentially make another bull flag just like that and ignore this descending triangle. So it means basically that if we break out of the triangle, then this is a bull flag. That's a bull flag on the daily. On the 1 hour, it's a descending triangle. Do you see how the charts can get twisted all the time? Okay, they get twisted. But then again, if we break towards the downside, then that descending triangle for the bearish scenario is going to play out. So what do you want to do? I've put you in a very clear concept right there, and there's no doubt that this project is good. Okay, the metaverse is really hot. So let's say this is a bullish flag and you break out of it. So this, if you start breaking out, it's gonna take you to $11. I'm just gonna mark that price target right there. Gonna bring this a little bit down, $11.4. And when you're breaking towards the downside here, you're gonna go to the 4.778. Better for you to wait for a confirmation of things to break out and backtest. Now listen, backtesting is very, very important when you're trading. If you fail the backtest, you know, the fake outs, there could be fake outs, and I'm going to tell you what fake outs are if you're new to the channel. Okay, the price is going to go up, break the triangle, so don't buy here, don't buy when it breaks out. Wait for it to come and backtest it and bounce from it. When it bounces, buy back. That's when you buy back, because what can happen is you go up, make a fake out, fail the retest, and still go down. Do you understand that? And even when you break towards the downside, wait for it to come back for the retest, because it can go up, and this could be a fake out as well. So it is a part of trading. You can also write on Google, this is for the newbies. If you're old to the channel, you might know this, but you can write in fake outs, fake out chart. I'm just gonna bring this one. So I'm gonna actually search for descending triangles. Did you see this was a descending triangle? And you can already see there was a false breakout. I don't know if this one is very clear to you, but prices went down, break down, but then fake out, and then it moved towards the upside. And the same thing can happen for the upside as well. So let's see what this does, and I do hope that this video is going to help you out big time out there. Till then, I'm going to see you tomorrow with a new one. Allah Hafiz.